let's explore some additional approaches that might not be as commonly discussed, but can be equally effective. The first approach is going on a detox. Think of detoxification as a way to cleanse your body, allowing it to absorb and utilize magnesium more efficiently. Fasting can be an effective detox approach. It gives your digestive system a break, allowing you to re-establish healthy eating habits and potentially improve your body's magnesium absorption. However, it's important not to fast for prolonged periods. A fasting mimicking diet involves cycling between days of normal eating and days of reduced calorie intake. This mimics the benefits of fasting without the need for prolonged fasts. During the reduced calorie days, you would consume around 35% of your typical daily calories. This approach allows for flexibility while still providing a detoxifying effect. Intermittent fasting is another popular method. Instead of restricting the number of calories, intermittent fasting regulates eating periods with timed daily windows. For example, the 16-by-8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and limiting your food intake to an 8-hour window. This approach helps to reset your body's internal clock, potentially enhancing nutrient absorption, including magnesium. Another detox strategy is using herbs and spices. Certain herbs like milk, thistle, support liver health, aiding in toxin removal. The liver plays a vital role in metabolizing nutrients, including magnesium. Including herbs like dandelion root, burdock root, and turmeric in your diet can support overall detoxification processes. You can also try saunas. Spending time in a sauna can promote sweating, helping to eliminate toxins from the body. This practice can also relax muscles, potentially easing tension and discomfort related to magnesium deficiency. Just remember to stay hydrated during and after sauna sessions to replenish lost fluids and electrolytes, including magnesium. Detoxification through exercise is also crucial. Physical activity enhances blood circulation, aiding in the delivery of nutrients, including magnesium, to cells. Regular exercise also promotes the elimination of waste products and toxins, supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Some forms of exercise to consider include cardiovascular activities, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. These help to increase blood flow and eliminate toxins through sweat. Yoga and Pilates are also effective, combining physical postures, breathing exercises, and sometimes meditation. These practices promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance overall flexibility and strength. Another important approach is minimizing toxin exposure. Reducing exposure to environmental toxins is essential. These toxins can overwhelm the body's detoxification systems and interfere with nutrient absorption. Here's what you can do. Use natural cleaning products and personal care items. Opt for organic produce whenever possible to minimize pesticide intake. Filter your water to remove impurities and consider using a humidifier to improve indoor air quality. Here's a bonus tip. Set aside time for rest and relaxation. Adequate rest is crucial for overall health and well-being. Engage in activities that help you unwind, such as reading, listening to music, or spending time in nature. Incorporating moments of tranquility into your day can aid in stress reduction and promote better nutrient absorption. Remember, detoxification is a holistic process that goes beyond simply removing harmful substances. It's about nurturing your body and creating an environment that supports overall wellness. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your body's natural detoxification processes, potentially enhancing your ability to absorb and utilize magnesium more effectively. Next, we come to the use of far infrared saunas. Far-infrared saunas heat your body directly using far-infrared rays. Unlike traditional saunas, they don't heat the air around you. This method of heating penetrates deep into your tissues, promoting sweating and potentially enhancing the elimination of toxins. Studies suggest that far-infrared saunas may help in detoxification by increasing core body temperature and inducing a deeper sweat than traditional saunas. The infrared rays penetrate tissues, potentially assisting in the removal of heavy metals and other toxins. These toxins could include lead, mercury, arsenic, and even mold toxins. These substances can build up in the body over time due to environmental exposure or certain lifestyle factors. Far-infrared saunas may help alleviate the burden of heavy metals in the body by encouraging their release through sweat. For example, a study published in the Journal of Environmental and Public Health found that regular use of far-infrared saunas was associated with lower levels of mercury in the hair of participants. Another study in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition reported that participants who used far-infrared saunas showed a decrease in lead levels after each sauna session. These findings indicate that far-infrared saunas may assist in eliminating toxins by promoting their excretion through sweat. Additionally, the deep penetrating heat from far-infrared saunas may help relax muscles and increase blood circulation. Improved blood flow can facilitate the efficient distribution of nutrients like magnesium throughout the body. Now let's talk about sunlight therapy. Sunlight provides various health benefits, including supporting vitamin D production and regulating biological rhythms. Moderate exposure to sunlight can help maintain healthy vitamin D levels, which indirectly aids in the regulation of magnesium metabolism. Sunlight also influences the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. Exposure to sunlight, particularly in the morning, helps synchronize this rhythm, potentially enhancing overall bodily functions, including those related to magnesium. Proper hydration is also vital. Drinking a sufficient amount of water daily is essential for overall health and plays a role in magnesium absorption and utilization. Water aids in transporting magnesium to cells and also helps to flush out toxins that may interfere with magnesium's function. Stress management is another critical aspect. Chronic stress can deplete magnesium levels. Engaging in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature can help restore balance. Practices that promote relaxation and emotional well-being support the body's overall health, allowing for better magnesium absorption and utilization. To strengthen your bones, you should incorporate weight-bearing exercises into your routine. These exercises involve activities like walking, jogging, dancing, or weight training, which help maintain bone density and muscle strength. Weight-bearing exercises can indirectly support magnesium balance by improving bone health and reducing the risk of fractures. They also promote overall physical fitness, which enhances the body's ability to absorb and utilize essential nutrients. Sleep hygiene is also extremely important. Getting enough sleep and maintaining consistent sleep patterns are crucial for overall health and hormone regulation. Adequate sleep ensures that the body has enough time to repair and rejuvenate, supporting various bodily functions, including those related to magnesium metabolism. Establishing a regular sleep routine helps regulate the body's internal clock, further supporting hormonal balance and optimal nutrition absorption. So as you can see, there are multiple approaches to healing magnesium deficiency beyond supplementation. Incorporating a variety of these methods can yield comprehensive results. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance. Your body needs magnesium, to perform countless tasks, from powering your muscles to keeping your heartbeat steady. When your magnesium levels drop, everyday challenges can become harder to handle, both physically and emotionally. Fatigue, restlessness, and even minor aches can signal that your magnesium stores are running low. But did you know that restoring healthy magnesium levels doesn't have to mean just popping a pill? There are many pathways to replenish and balance your magnesium, each offering unique benefits. Let's explore these paths together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find value in it. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy.